Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sabrina and today I'm going to do a little experiment. I found this silverware, this beautiful antique pot which used to belong to my late grandfather because he received it in the year 1983 as it was written there. I am going to find stuff that I have around the house and try to turn this thing back to silver because I'm going to use this pot as something to hold my plants. So let's see if we can do it. So for this project, I'll be needing a big quali filled with water, which I will boil later, and some sodium bicarbonate, also aluminium foil. And that's it. That's me planning on how to rotate the bowl later in hot water. This is also my first time polishing silver, so I wasn't sure at all. While waiting for the water to boil, I tore some aluminium foil and put inside the quali. I may need more aluminium foil than you guys because the bowl that I'm going to polish is bigger. The water is getting really hot, so be careful not to burn yourself, yeah? Now I'm putting a few spoons of sodium bicarbonate. I am just really winging it right here because I'm not sure how much you should put in. Some people say 2-3 spoons, but looking at my pot, I thought I should put a little bit more. Okay, now I have my mitten on and I'm going to dip one side of the bowl into the solution and leave it for 5 minutes. That's what you're supposed to do, 5 minutes. Just leave it inside the solution for 5 minutes. I can't keep my hands off it because I was too curious at the time. That's amazing! Tiana, look at this! Whoa, it's crazy. Yeah.
And it turned gold. Is that its real color? This one?
See, it's 1983. 7 September 1983. It's authentic. 30 years old.
That's the real color.
35 years old? That's real color.
Oh my god.
Yeah, when he got it, this is this color.
It looks so hot.
Yeah, so I'm wearing this. Next, I'm gonna use a wet cloth to rub on the silverware to buff up the silver color. Look at how the color changes after a few scrubbing with the wet cloth. Cool, right? Okay guys, all done. Look at that shine. So it's a successful experiment indeed, and to think that you only need 3 household items just to get it to shine like before, that is so cool. Okay, I hope that my video helps everyone who needs it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions for me, and press on the notification bell if you don't want to miss another video. Thanks for watching. Bye!